Easy English words 5. Baby. Baby. She gave birth to a healthy baby. She gave birth to a healthy baby. Back. Back. 3 people can sit in the back of this car. 3 people can sit in the back of this car. Bad. Bad. Smoking is bad for health. Smoking is bad for health. Badminton. Badminton. I like to play badminton in my spare time. I like to play badminton in my spare time. Bag. Bag. He lost his bag when he went shopping. He lost his bag when he went shopping. Bake. Bake. The bread is baking in the oven. The bread is baking in the oven. Bakery. Bakery. The bakery serves us with fresh bread daily. The bakery serves us with fresh bread daily. Balcony. Balcony. The prospect from the balcony was breathtaking. The prospect from the balcony was breathtaking. Ball. Ball. The cat made little rushes to and fro after the ball. The cat made little rushes to and fro after the ball. Banana. Banana. The banana is her favorite fruit. The banana is her favorite fruit. Band. Band. The band played a lively tune. The band played a lively tune. Bank. Bank. He has a large deposit in the bank. He has a large deposit in the bank. Barbecue. Barbecue. The sunshine bodes well for our barbecue. The sunshine bodes well for our barbecue. Baseball. Baseball. Rain interrupted our baseball game. Rain interrupted our baseball game. Basket. Basket. Several baskets of fruit were eaten at the party. Several baskets of fruit were eaten at the party. Basketball. Basketball. We will play basketball tomorrow. We will play basketball tomorrow. Bat. Bat. He just hit the ball with his bat. He just hit the ball with his bat. 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 He takes a cold bath every day. He takes a cold bath every day. Bathroom. Bathroom. He weighed himself on the bathroom scales. He weighed himself on the bathroom scales. B. B. He will be a hero if their team wins the game. He will be a hero if their team wins the game. Beach. Beach. We are basking on the beach. We are basking on the beach. Bean. Bean. Cocoa bean is used to make some kinds of drink. Cocoa bean is used to make some kinds of drink. Bear. Bear. The hunter slashed at the bear with his knife. The hunter slashed at the bear with his knife. Beautiful. Beautiful. She is the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. She is the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Because. Because. I bought the house simply because it was large. I bought the house simply because it was large. Become. Become. Vast areas of land have become desert. Vast areas of land have become desert. Bed. Bed. Your bed is so comfortable. Your bed is so comfortable. Bedroom. Bedroom. There was an angry squall from the bedroom, monsieur. There was an angry squall from the bedroom, monsieur. Bee. Bee. He can hear the hum of the bee in the garden. He can hear the hum of the bee in the garden. Beef. Beef. Africa is exporting beef to Europe. Africa is exporting beef to Europe. Before. Before. B comes before C in the alphabet. B comes before C in the alphabet. Begin. Begin. The meeting will begin at 9. The meeting will begin at 9. Behind. Behind. Who is the girl standing behind the tree? Who is the girl standing behind the tree? Believe. Believe. We believe in his ability. We believe in his ability. Bell. Bell. I was roused by the sound of the bell this morning. I was roused by the sound of the bell this morning. Belong. Belong. The daffodil belongs to the genus Narcissus. The daffodil belongs to the genus Narcissus. Below. Below. His income is below the average. His income is below the average. Belt. Belt. He has a brown belt in karate. He has a brown belt in karate. Bench. Bench. This bench is made of L, monsieur. This bench is made of L, monsieur. Beside. Beside. I set a chair beside him and sat down. I set a chair beside him and sat down. Between. Between. Children must attend school between 5 and 16. Children must attend school between 5 and 16. Big. Big. New York is a big commercial city. New York is a big commercial city. Bike. Bike. I've decided to buy that bike. I've decided to buy that bike. Bird. Bird. That bird tried to pack me. That bird tried to pack me. Birthday. Birthday. I received many gifts on my birthday. I received many gifts on my birthday. Bite. Bite. Their dog bit a hole in my trousers. Their dog bit a hole in my trousers. Black. Black. Do you have a black jacket? Do you have a black jacket? Blackboard. Blackboard. Who's rubbed my figures off the blackboard? Who's rubbed my figures off the blackboard? Blanket. Blanket. He threw a blanket over the injured man. He threw a blanket over the injured man. Blind. Blind. Love is blind and sometimes deaf. Love is blind and sometimes deaf. Block. Block. Walk 2 blocks down the street and go past the city hall. Walk 2 blocks down the street and go past the city hall. Blow. Blow. The door blew open by the strong wind. the door blew open by the strong wind. Blue, blue. She wore a dark blue coat. She wore a dark blue coat. Boat, boat. They pushed the boat into the water. They pushed the boat into the water. Body, body. A balanced diet provides nutrition for your body. A balanced diet provides nutrition for your body. Boil, boil. I am boiling the milk. I am boiling the milk. Book, book. That student lost his book yesterday. That student lost his book yesterday. Bookstore, bookstore. He sold a bundle of old magazines to the second-hand bookstore. He sold a bundle of old magazines to the second-hand bookstore. Boring, boring. It is awfully boring. It is awfully boring. Born, born. She was born in 2002. She was born in 2002.
非常谢谢您对 Great Kids Learning Channel 的热爱，希望你能够订阅我们的频道，按下 subscribe 键，或者按下订阅频道键。订阅频道后，同时旁边也有一个小铃铛，希望你也能够按那个小铃铛，我们的 channel 的资讯就会自动的传递给您。同时也希望你能够对于我们的影片按一下喜欢或者按赞，也谢谢你的观赏。